Hey everybody, it's me. I'm back. And if you're watching this on April 8th, it's my birthday. I turned 30 years old. Yes, ma'am. Can you believe it? I started out doing videos on YouTube when I was 18, almost 19 years old, and now I'm 30. This is crazy. Anyway, let's move on. I'm priming my eyes with the Plouise base only this time, simply because I'm not using any bright colors, so this will do fine. Now for my eyeshadows, I'm going to use the Morphe Gilded Desert eyeshadow palette, and I'm only using a couple of eyeshadows. So this one right here is going to be my transition shade in my crease. Windshield wiper motions, you know the drill with that. Then to soften up that edge, I'm going to use a orangey shade from the same palette, and I'm applying that on the edge. Again, windshield wiper motions, buffing that edge out. Then I'm using a very dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm applying that on the outer part of my crease only, just to give my eyes a little bit of dimension, a little bit of depth. You know what I'm saying? And then for my lid, I'm going to use a shimmery eyeshadow, kind of silvery with tiny hints of gold in there, with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And I'm cutting my crease without cutting my crease, if you know what I mean. No concealers or primers or whatever for this part. Then I'm going to quickly give myself an eyeliner, put on some false lashes. I know I'm speeding through this video. It's just a quick video today. I did my base off of camera. I used the One Size Cheek Clapper Blush 3.0 in Rich Betch. And I put the cream on underneath my setting powders, obviously. And then I'm using the Blush Deposit blush on my cheekbones. I'm also going to use a second blush, but it's an eyeshadow of the Morphe Fierce Fairytale eyeshadow palette. And I'm applying that shade on the apples of my cheeks. Just a, a little bit of a blush, I guess, gradient going on, if you will. Now that all my powders are set, well, no, not my powders are set. Hold on, I'm skipping even more steps. I'm contouring. I'm gonna contour my face exactly the same as in my previous video. I just like this method. It works for me, but you do you, as you know. So now that my powders are set and locked in, I'm gonna set it with my setting spray, just to melt all the powders into my skin, not to make myself look so dusty, if that makes sense. I mean, I want full coverage, but I don't want the necessarily like cake look. Okay, for my lips, I'm gonna line my lips with a dark brown liquid lipstick. I have no idea what the brand is. That rubbed off a long time ago. And I'm gonna apply a lipstick by NYX. It's, let me see, the Cactus Dreams lipstick. Just on the center of my lips, just to give it a little bit of color. I know I'm very boring with my lips lately, but I really like this. Bold eyes and then softer lips. It is what it is. Anyway, there's the lipstick. Again, it's called Cactus Dreams. It's by NYX. It's a Shout Loud satin lipstick. And then to top it off, I'm applying the NYX Cosmetics Fat Oil Lip Drip in the shade Scrollin'. Woo! I went through this tutorial really fast. Next time I actually want to do a, actual speaking video again, so it feels more personal instead of, the voiceover. Anyway, I'm off to celebrate my birthday. I got a special guest coming over next week. Y'all are gonna flip. Y'all are really gonna flip. Anyway, this is the finished look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Yes, I had the audacity to draw on fake baby hairs. Anyway, that's it. Love ya. Bye bye.